Hey guys, welcome to my channel and today we are solving unique email addresses problem. So the given problem statement is every valid email consists of a local name and a domain name separated by the @ sign. Besides lower case letter, the email may contain one or more period or plus symbol. For example, in alice @gmail.com @leadcode.com, Alice is the local name and leadcode.com is the domain name. If you add periods between some character, the local name part of an email address, mail sent there will be forwarded to the same address without dots in local name. Note that this rule does not apply to domain names. For example, alice.set@leadcode.com and alice@leadcode.com forward to the same email address. If you add a plus in the local name, everything after that plus sign will be ignored. This allows certain emails to be filtered. Note that this rule does not apply to domain names. For example, m.y plus name @email.com will be forwarded to my email @email.com. It is possible to use both the rules at the same time. And given a string of emails, where we send one email to each email, return the number of different addresses that actually receives mail. So we are given list of email address, and then we need to check how many unique email addresses are there here, and then return the size of that unique email addresses. There are two rules. One is that if there is dot in the local name, then we need to ignore that. And if there is a plus in the local name, then any character after that plus symbol till the @ sign will be ignored. So these are the two rules that we need to be aware of, and after removing these two things, whatever the resultant email will be the correct email address where the email will be forwarded. So we need to first of all traverse to all the emails. So we will just for loop for a email in emails. Now we will declare we will go inside another loop. Int of I equals to 0, I less than email dot length. This loop is to traverse all the character of the email. Then we will check if the that character of the email is equals to dot or not. If it is, then we will just leave it as it is. We need another string variable, that is the resultant email, where we will store after removing these dot and the characters of the after the plus symbol. So if email of I is equals to plus symbol, then what we need to do is create a while loop. While email of I does not equals to @ until then we are going to do I plus plus. This will be else if. So here if email of I, so if email of I is equals to the @symbol, then we will add everything from that at the rate to the end of the email. So the resultant email is so resultant email is plus is equals to email dot str from that index till the end of, and if there are no such cases, then we need to just resultant of email plus is equals to email of I. Okay, so after this loop is finished and we got our resultant mail after removing all these things, then we need to insert it into a set. So we will declare the unordered set. Why we are using set is because set contains only unique elements and we need only unique email addresses. So we will store all the email addresses in the set and then return the size of the set. So set dot insert the resultant email, and at the end we will return set dot size. So let us run our code. So let us submit. Our code has been accepted. So if you like my solution, then please subscribe to my channel. Or if you have any suggestion or any comments, then please put it in comment box. Thank you for watching.